I just... Something tells me they're having a very bad day.
Coordinates received.
Okay. Yeah. Don't know why there's... We will let loose on this cougar. Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh yes. Get more treats. Well, let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go Phantom. We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much. Phantom.
Head south.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck.
Ready for orders.
Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh.
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because... I mean... I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission? Aim.
Acknowledged.
Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. I mean... You kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Blank.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom.
I.
That. Print as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by. Standing by.
Cardon in the slow-ass Atlas. We'll move up that way. You know what? Good enough. turn off one of the air. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. Go for it. Turn off an LRM 20.
10-4. Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Hit Fox is going to be target A. You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what?
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
I think I hit something.
And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go. There, go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. Are gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault Gauss. I don't need to fire that.
I copy.
Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Buddy, advance. We're gonna go over here.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces.
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
Alright, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. Better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
So
Affirmative.
fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledge, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
Bert the Burk?
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you? Load. Yay! What? Doesn't. Oh, blood asp. With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think.
Copy that. Roger.
I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently, you need to sprint. Return.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor. Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Oh yeah, she did. Um. Hmm. Ooh, pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're going to go right there. Cherokee, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Leap of foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. Blam. Okay, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. Sir? I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. And... I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, I've made a little bit of money. Nothing like significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the fire moth. That'll give me 3 fire moth pieces. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Did I? You... If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head.
I...
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess. And I could. We'll go with this. We'll aim at you because you have. Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Okay, so... Hey.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
On my way.
Well.
how sweet it is to be a god.
Isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Okay. Well. Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. It's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Name. Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool. Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. I at least did a little bit. Oh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's. Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. Well.
Good to go.
That is one less enemy to deal with. Shady. You get to play with the new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
Thank you for dropping that shout out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Oh.